Hey everyone. In this lecture video, we are going to see about jQuery in web technology. jQuery, it was designed to handle browser incompatibility and to simplify HTML, DOM operation, event handling, animations, and Ajax. In jQuery DOM selections or finding HTML element by ID, finding HTML element by tag name, finding HTML element by class name, and finding HTML element by CSS selector. First one, finding HTML element by ID. So it returns the element with the ID. For example, we are we have created an HTML document with some heading with heading H2. Find HTML element by ID. Then we have three paragraph tags. Each will have different content. First P tag will have hello world. Second one, hello Sweden and hello Japan. And for displaying the content, we are creating an uh, another P tag with ID demo. So first three tags will have ID 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then after getting the value from the P tag, it will be displayed in the lost P tag. So here we are creating the script value. So document dot ready function. So function, we are creating a function and we create an element where my element. So we are giving the dollar symbol and ID of one. So it will refer the paragraph tag of first one, that is hello world. So then it will be displayed in inside uh, fourth p tag, which is displayed as demo.text. Demo means we are selecting the ID of a paragraph tag and we are displaying the text from the ID1 paragraph is, then we are adding the thing. So by my element of 0 dot inner HTML, which specifies hello world. So it will act as an paragraph tag, that is paragraph in that ID we will have hello world. So it will be called the content will be displayed inside the lost p tag, that is I demo in demo p tag we are displaying the content, that is hello world will be displayed inside the p tag. So it is given as an output. So we have three p tags and fourth p tag will get the ID of first one and it will be display the content of the p tag inside demo tag. Next one, finding HTML element by tag name. So in the previous one, we are using the ID. Here we are using the tag name. For example, returning all p tag elements. So here we are creating inside the body, we are creating one header tag, then three paragraph tag, and third and fourth one, we have some paragraph tag with an empty paragraph tag. So here, what we are doing means in script, we are document.ready function, we are creating a function and where my element equal to, that is dollar of p. So it will get the element by tag name. So inside p tag, what and all the elements present here. Or we can use also a single specific elements like what we get it in ID. So here inside the demo tag, which is initially empty. So we are getting the first p tag content. So in this finding HTML element by class name. So it returns all element with the class name class equal to intro. So it will return what and all the things displayed inside, uh, displayed using class intro. So we are selecting the class name intro. So if more than one classes will be available or single classes, it will return all the content which will be available inside the intro class name. So here we have some example. So we are creating an header tag, and then we are creating three p tags. So which will have the class name as intro. All all three p tags will have the class name as intro, and extra one we are creating a p tag with empty content, text content. So we are going to display those things inside the lost p tag. So here, document.ready function, we are creating a function inside that where my element equal to dot intro. Dot intro means we are specifying the class name. So, and then it will be displayed inside the lost p tag. So, demo.text, the first paragraph with the class intro is, so this content will be displayed there, and my element of 0 dot inner HTML. So it will display the my element of 0. So my element will have three p tags. So three p tags will have different contents. So those contents will be called, and it will display only p tag, first p tag. That is hello world will be displayed here. So here we have, in the output, we have hello world, hello Sweden, hello Japan. That is three p tags are displaying. And then inside the lost p tag, what it is doing means it is getting, in this slide, we are finding HTML element by CSS selector, returning a list of all p elements with class intro. So here we have an example like the previous one. We are creating a header tag and three p tags. So with the different content, and also it is having the same class name as intro. Then another p tag which is used to display the uh, invoke the content. So instead, we are creating a function that is document.ready function, then where my element equal to dollar of p dot intro. So uh, it is the call of CSS selector p dot intro. P represent the tag, and intro represent the class name. So it will be called, and same as the previous one, displaying first p tag content inside the demo tag. So here we have the same output using CSS selectors. Here we have jQuery HTML element. Set the inner text of the HTML element. So setting text content. Here we have one header tag and two p tags. First will have the ID of 01 and second will have the ID of 02. In script, we are creating an jQuery that is $document.getReady function where my element equals dollar of 01. So we are here we are selecting the ID of first p tag. Then my element dot text hello Sweden. So we are selecting an tag that is it is initially having the content as hello world and we are changing the text content to hello Sweden. So it will be reflected inside the output. Thank you everyone.